Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be flipping this piece that I got from Facebook Marketplace for $50. I'm gonna see what I can turn it into. So this table, as you see, is really scratched up. It had like watermarks on top that I actually couldn't get at the end of the day. I couldn't get it off, but I wanted to transform the table, so I went ahead to clean it first with some cleaning solution. Just sprayed it down and wiped it. So after wiping, I grabbed a 150 grit sandpaper. Everything that I use in this video I got from Home Depot, so you can find it there. And then I sanded the top of the table, just the top actually. I didn't sand the rest of the table. And then I ended up over sanding, and I had some big scratches at the end, but it's okay. I grabbed the drill and removed all the hardware, and then I soaked them in hot water and salt and baking soda just to clean it up a little bit. So this is before I soaked it. It was looking really tarnished and everything. And then I grabbed some plastic wood to fill in the holes that I was seeing on the table. It wasn't so much of a big deal, but I wanted everything to be perfect, although it really didn't turn out that perfect in my opinion, but it wasn't so bad. I filled in the holes. The edge of the table had this hole, like this dent that I don't even know. It was so hard to fill in. And then I grabbed this all-purpose what's it called, primer, and then I primed the table. So the thing with the primer is that I wish I primed it as smooth as possible, because I felt like that was like the base and I didn't prime it smoothly enough. And so then I grabbed this blue paint. It's not chalk paint, but I think it's like oil-based paint. It's from, or it's by Behr. I got that one from Home Depot too. And then I just kept making a mess, dripping paint everywhere. It was just a big mess. But I painted this table a total of 4 coats. So this is the first coat. It's not given. It's just looking, just, you know. Yeah, so I went over 3 more times, and then the top of the table I used a restore and finish wood finish to like shine it and buff it out. So this was the first coat on the top of the table. This is the product that I used. Is in the color dark walnut, and I would suggest you do this outside. I brought the table inside because it was really cold, but then you'd have to open your windows because the smell is pretty strong. And so then I just went ahead to buff the product into the wood. You can see the difference. I actually don't know if the cloth that I used made any difference, but I would suggest like a microfiber cloth. Maybe this wasn't a microfiber cloth. And so this is the final result. It wasn't really bad. I actually like what it turned out to be, although I couldn't get all the stains on top of the table, like the scratches and the watermarks on top. I couldn't completely get everything, but it's actually not bad. I listed it for $150, so let's see how that goes. I didn't actually spend so much, just $50, and then a little bit of paint and primer and brushes that I purchased, so I should get a good turnover. So yeah, thank you guys.